Good morning and welcome to the DebtCircle Morning Brief. I am your host Vijendra. Here's your complete update on the debt markets, interest rates, currencies, bond issuances, and upcoming events. Let's begin with the government securities market. India's government security yield curve currently stands at 1-year government securities at 6.13%, 3-year government securities at 6.48%, 5-year government securities at 6.86%, 7-year government securities at 7%. 9-year government securities at 6.93%, 10-year government securities at 7.05%, 15-year government securities at 7.34%, and 30-year government securities at 7.64%. Moving to the United States Treasury market. 1-year Treasury yields are at 3.81%, 3-year yields are at 4.10%, 5-year yields are at 4.19%, 7-year yields are at 4.32%, 10-year yields are at 4.47%. and 30-year Treasury yields stand at 4.99%. Now for the currency markets. The US dollar is trading at 95 rupees and 14 paise against the Indian rupee, compared with 94 rupees and 92 paise previously. The euro is at 110 rupees and 69 paise. The British pound is at 128 rupees and 4 paise. The Japanese yen is at 60 paise. And the Chinese yuan is trading at 14 rupees and 3 paise. Turning to commodities and market indices. 24-karat gold is trading at 15,622 rupees per 10 grams. Silver is at 2,800 rupees per 10 grams. Crude oil is trading at $94.25 per barrel. The Sensex closed at 73,993.58 and the Nifty ended at 23,305.50. Let's now look at primary corporate bond issuances in India. Hero FinCorp Limited has launched a bond issue of 125 crore rupees with a tenure of 24 months and a coupon of 8.75%. The issue carries AA+ ratings from CRISIL and ICRA. Unifins Capital India Limited is raising 20 crore rupees through a 24-month issue offering a coupon of 13%. NHPC Limited has announced a 2,000 crore rupee bond issue across multiple tranches with maturities ranging from 73 months to 181 months. The coupon is 7.67%. and the issue is rated AAA by CARE Ratings and India Ratings. IIFL Finance Limited is raising 100 crore rupees through a long-term issue with a maturity of 877 months and a coupon of 9.9%. The bonds are rated AA by Brickwork and Infomerics. Navi Finserv Limited has launched a 150 crore rupee issue with a tenure of 67 months and a coupon of 11.5%. The bonds carry a single A rating from CRISIL. 361 Prime Limited plans to raise 1,500 crore rupees through a 26-month issue rated AA by ICRA. Daya Credit and Capital Limited has announced a 14 crore rupee issue with a tenure of 31 months and a coupon of 12.75%. The bonds are rated BBB- by CARE Ratings. Early Salary Services Private Limited is raising 110 crore rupees through a 27-month issue offering a coupon of 10.5%. The bonds are rated A- by CARE Ratings. Now let's review the auction calendar. State development loan auctions are scheduled for June 2, 2026. Rajasthan will auction its 8.06% bond maturing in 2057 with a size of 1,800 crore rupees. Tamil Nadu will auction securities maturing in 2033, 2036 and 2041 with issue sizes of 1,000 crore rupees, 1,000 crore rupees and 500 crore rupees respectively. Telangana will auction its 7.97% bond maturing in 2043 worth 2,000 crore rupees. And its 8.07% bond maturing in 2056 worth 2,000 crore rupees. Andhra Pradesh will auction a 2038 maturity worth 2,200 crore rupees and an 8.07% bond maturing in 2051, also worth 2,200 crore rupees. Gujarat will offer securities maturing in 2036 and 2041 with issue sizes of 1,000 crore rupees and 1,500 crore rupees. Jammu and Kashmir will auction a 2046 maturity worth 500 crore rupees. Maharashtra will auction its 7.35% bond maturing in 2031 worth 800 crore rupees, its 7.91% bond maturing in 2039 worth 1,600 crore rupees, and its 8.07% bond maturing in 2049 worth 1,200 crore rupees. Punjab will auction securities maturing in 2038, 2041 and 2044 each with issue sizes of 1,000 crore rupees. Rajasthan will also offer a 2030 maturity worth 600 crore rupees and a 7.97% bond maturing in 2043 worth 1,200 crore rupees. Moving to Treasury bills. The 91-day Treasury bill auction will take place on June 3, 2026 with a notified amount of 12,000 crore rupees. The 182-day Treasury bill auction will be for 6,000 crore rupees And the 364-day Treasury bill auction will also be for 6,000 crore rupees. In the government security segment, the 6.94% government security maturing in 2036 will be auctioned on June 5, 2026, with a notified amount of 34,000 crore rupees. Finally, here are the key events scheduled for the week ahead. The State Development Loan Auction takes place on June 2nd. The Treasury Bill Auction follows on June 3rd. The RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting will be held from June 3rd through June 5th. The Government Securities Auction is scheduled for June 5th. The International Conference on Global Financial Markets and Economic Policy will take place on June 6th in Lucknow. The London Stock Exchange Group India Summit 2026 will be held on June 9th in Mumbai. And the IDC Financial Services Summit India will take place on June 12th. That's all for today's DebtCircle Market Brief. Stay informed, stay invested, and we'll see you in the next update.